Fibre is an essential part of a healthy diet and helps to keep your digestive system in good working order. It cannot be broken down by our bodies, so the majority of it passes through our digestive system. In general, we need 25 grams of fibre a day. However, the average daily intake for adults is below 15 grams a day. Herbalife Oat apple fiber is developed to help you supplement your daily diet with the right amount of fibre. It contains 6 natural fibre sources from apple, oat, maize, citrus, chicory and soya. Each serving of oat apple fiber provides you with 5 grams of fibre and contains only 18 calories per serving, perfect for those looking to up their fibre intake without the extra calories. Oat apple fiber is sugar-free and has no artificial sweeteners. It has a delicious apple flavour and is very simple to make. Just add 1 scoop of powder to a glass of water to help support your digestive system. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.